Hi, I'm Eric Schneider, Western Night Classics. Today, look at that beast and my tools. It's already on blocks. Like this is too good for me. That's got to be it redone, but just a couple old whiskey dents inside.
Nobody's got to know. No, nobody's got to know. I could take you anywhere. Name the place, I'll take you there. Oh no, but for what old and gray runs through our head, don't tell no one, we'll go where the wind blows. Evaporate into thin air, like we were never here. No one's got to know. Nobody's got to know. No, no, nobody's got to know. We'll go away from these faces. I sip from everywhere. I know you wanna see places. I just wanna see you there. Come with me. Anywhere you wanna go, I can make your body glow now, honestly. We could go far. I wanna take your heart. Don't tell them where we are. All around the stars. Don't you tell them